is he going to start actually opening up a claims process for help? Where's the claims process for help? And how are people that aren't being paid for their income loss supposed to turn around and pay for a physician? I mean, they sitting down there sick. People can't even go see a doctor because they're not paying them. I mean, normally we would pay for our own health care. And we would go in and take our money that we paid, we paid for our own health care. But the fact is, we can't even go see a doctor because we can't afford it. We need toxicologists on the Gulf Coast. Independent people. Toxicologists. That's what we need. So, it truly saddens me that they didn't ask him any questions about the health impact, because I know for a fact that we've had members of our community come up here and sit down and talk to our congressmen and sit down and talk to our senators and explain to them all the sick kids and all the sick adults. I mean, we got kids in Grand Isle sitting at the desk with their nose bleeding, blood coming out their ears. There's a problem down there. I mean, don't ask Feinberg anything. Send some help to the Gulf Coast. I mean, he's not paying our income claims. How are we supposed to go see a physician? How are we supposed to take our kids to a toxicologist? Then with the whole cover-up, they got the doctors down there so scared that they don't even want to touch the subject. They're going to diagnose them with anything and everything except for chemical exposure. How do you have a group of people, a whole community, a coastal community was perfectly fine? We're hard-working people. We survivors. I survived Katrina. That's something to survive. My house was where it hit first. Before it hit New Orleans, or it scraped New Orleans, before it went into Mississippi, my house was in Buras, Louisiana, where I actually made landfall. And I survived that. Normally we're survivors, but I really think we might be looking at defeat. And for me, that's unacceptable. So I'm moving, because I can't fight this and be in the middle of it and watch my kids sick. That's my baby. I'm pissed.